Hello everyone. Today we are going to introduce vending machine drinks. I first. This is 阿华田, a chocolate malt drink. That was my favorite from the school vending machine. What making it different from other chocolate milks is malty and it's very sweet. I really like it.
Okay, let me. This is where the flavor milk tea. He has a classic and the familiar way. There is the best. I love it when I was elementary school student to high school student. Every day I drink one. Yeah. And Sam and he.
And me, I'm going to introduce this one. This is pure green tea. It tastes like jasmine and it's very dry. I bought it at a school vending machine. It is my second favorite I like because I basically drink it without sugar. It is also very cheap. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you everyone.